The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips and the trunk. It's a really good move to work on your rotational capabilities, or if you have any loss of especially external rotation in the uppers, as well as internal rotation in the lowers. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to do a forward lunge, and so with the forward lunge piece, you're going to step forward, knees are going to be soft, you're going to drop straight down like you're in a phone booth. Now, what you're going to be doing with the upper body is, let's say I step forward with my left leg, I'm going to take my right arm, I'm going to bring it towards midline like this, at this angle. So I don't want to be up high, I want to be low like so, and it's going to be that right there. When you get to the bottom, you're going to inhale. When you exhale, you're going to come back up. It's going to look like this. I'm here, soft knees, kind of chilling, quiet inhale, exhale. Rinse and repeat. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.